Hello guys, my name is Nikhil, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon too. So guys, in this video I'm going to share a method to use Gltool in your Android phone to unlock extreme FPS in PUBG Mobile without getting a ban. For this I will suggest you to try this method on your fake account or a guest account first, and try this method at your own risk. So guys, for this what you have to do, you have to download a fresh copy of PUBG Mobile from Play Store, and you have to hide the root from it, and you have to install Gltool. And in case you don't know how to hide root and install Gltool, I will share a link of my video in the description box, so make sure you watch them first and then try this method. So guys, after that what you have to do, you have to download a app from the Play Store named opengl extension viewer. So open your Play Store and search for it. So guys, after installing the opengl extension viewer app, open it, and from here you have to note down your default GL version. So in my case I have opengl es 3.2 @474, but in your case you have a different version. So after this step, what you have to do, you have to do the same that I am doing in the video. Open your Gltool and go into the system wide settings. In default system wide settings, you have to enable fake GPU info. Then you have to type Qualcomm in fake GL vendor, and in fake GL vendor you have to type Adreno TM650. And after that you have to type your default opengl version with respect to its git code, and click on OK. And after this you have to reboot your device. And after reboot, what you have to do, you have to open Gltool and go for PUBG Mobile. Now click on enable custom settings for this app, and then you enable fake GPU info, and repeat the process again for fake GL vendor, fake GL render, and fake GL version. After this you have to reboot your device. I had already done these steps, so I'm not gonna make it, but you have to reboot your device, so make sure you don't skip the reboot. So guys, if this method works for you at the first place, make sure you don't tamper with the settings. If you tamper with the settings, you may get the ban on your PUBG Mobile account. So don't try to change the settings or enable another options. And I am using this method from past 1 week on my main account to make sure this method works safely. And guys, I just can't share the gameplay as it lags too much while recording and playing at the same time. So guys, see, I have extreme FPS in my Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is capable of medium frame rates. So guys, hope you like my work and enjoyed my video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for more update. See you guys in the next one.